Yo, what's up you guys? I got a package in the mail. Got a plushie. So let's get opening. Okay. So open it up. Barf and belch. It's only a quick video, but this is barf and belch. Do comparison to my other dragons, so let's grab them. Okay guys, so this is my third dragon, not from How Johnny Dragon, but it's my third dragon. I'm gonna put you guys on a bit of a stand. We've got the two heads, which is great, and then we've got like the yellow plump yellow body, which is awesome. Wings don't move that much. I mean, none of it moves. Heads are a bit stiff, but yeah, good back and belch. It falls over quite a lot. So did I die? Yeah, it falls over quite a lot. It does not stand up. There we go. But here is my other green dragon. I got this from like a dinosaur thing. It was like, name your dinosaur, and I called it Jeff. But yeah, no, it's not Jeff anymore. So there we go. Then we have this purple one. There we go. Yep, really cool. From Build-A-Bear. So, yep. And then these two dragons are going to be in the Johnny Dragon series. I've got Barf and Belch is going to be like the main one that Yoshi wants. It's going to get at the end of the series because there's only going to be 3 episodes to the series. Yoshi is going to start out with this little one. Bowser Jr. is going to start out with this little one. Then I've got Mario, which is going to be his dragon because I'm going to pretend these are his wings. So yeah, and this is going to be the first gym leader, and then he's going to come help them. So yeah, that is. So let's just get the other 2 dragons out the way. And final review on this guy. Love it. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.